Now, forewarned weather with Exact Track 4D.
So things getting cooler outside. Some folks are talking about having to bring out the jackets and the sweaters. I see you got the turtleneck on tonight.
I went from a blouse at 6 to a turtleneck at 11 because it's cold.
Now we got sweater weather apparently, just like
sweater
that.
Sweater weather, just like that. Yes, we're going to go down into the 40s tonight. Some places even close to the upper 30s. There could be some frost in the outer lying area, but we're not expecting a hard freeze or even widespread frost tonight. Better chance tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. But we have mostly clear skies right now. It's quiet out at Metro Airport, but if you have a flight Wednesday to Friday, even into Saturday, there might be some delays because of Hurricane Milton. Even if that's not where you're going, obviously there's a domino effect. 52 in Detroit, also in Pontiac, 54 in Grosse Ile, and check out Port Huron down to 43 degrees. So it's going to be a chilly morning tomorrow in Port Huron. Exact Track 4D radar is not only dry, but it will be dry for the next several days. So we are going to focus our attention on Florida. I know a lot of you have family and friends and possibly second homes in Florida, and we are carefully monitoring Hurricane Milton. Right now, there are some showers just to the south of Naples, a couple thunderstorms. This is not in association with Hurricane Milton directly. That is now moving through the Yucatan Peninsula. It's kind of brushing the northern edge of the peninsula. Cancun going to get hit pretty hard here, even though the eye is staying out to sea. They're sort of on that, that right side of the storm, and it is going to be pretty powerful with the winds gusting at times, I'm sure, at least over 150 miles per hour. So that's going to do some damage in the Yucatan Peninsula. This is a monster of a storm. On the Saffir-Simpson scale, it is a Category 5. Some experts are saying at some point, if we keep getting hurricanes like this, we may have to add a 6th category because 5 doesn't really tell at all because winds are 157 miles per hour. This afternoon, Milton got up to 180 mile per hour winds, one of the strongest hurricanes on record in the Atlantic. Satellite and radar, you can see it here. I mean, it's just massive. It moves north again of here's the Yucatan Peninsula right there. There is Cancun continuing on its eastward trek towards the west coast of Florida, expected to make landfall sometime Wednesday night. But right now, a Category 5. It has weakened slightly. Watch what happens as it moves to the coast. Now, it will slightly weaken because there's some wind shear. But to be honest, whether it comes in as a 3 or 4 or 5 is not going to matter. It's going to be a massive storm. It's going to put down a lot of water over all of Florida, including Orlando up to Jacksonville, and then eventually out over the Atlantic. So we have a lot to track here over the next couple of days. Storm surge, obviously the biggest concern within the Tampa Bay, as much as 15 feet surge. Rain chances here, not bad at all. We'll see a slight chance on Sunday, but even that is just a slight chance. So that's good news for the Tigers game both Wednesday and Thursday. Beautiful baseball weather with sunshine, temps in the 60s. Tonight, it's cold, 42 degrees. Port Huron, you folks will drop a little lower than that. Winds out of the west around 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow, carbon copy of today, sunshine and a high in the mid to upper 60s. Future forecast, nice and quiet here with whatever's left over from Milton will not affect us here. Our next chance for rain is Sunday into Monday as our temps go from the 60s down into the 50s. But I mean, I really don't even see it on Sunday. I think we're going to be dry here for the next 7 days. Tomorrow will be a big day for us tracking Milton.
Yeah, be busy. Okay, Kim, thanks.